Hugs Learning.
Hi friends! Are you ready to solve fun math quiz? Let's jump right into it. What's 2 plus 3? Think about it. You've got this. You got it. The answer is 5. Great job. If you have 10 eggs and 4 roll away, how many are left? That's right, it's 6. You're doing amazing with these math eggs. What do you get when you add 15 and 7? Think carefully. You've got this. That's right, it's 22. You're a math whiz, finding all these answers. Click subscribe to be part of Bear Hugs Learning family. If you have 20 and take away 8, what's left? You can do it. Awesome, the answer is 12. Fantastic work so far. For this next one, let's add 5 and 9. What's the total? You got it! 14 is the magic number. You're on fire. 30 minus 12. Take your time. The blue egg is super patient for your answer. That was a tough one, but you totally nailed it. 18 is correct. Let's switch back to addition. What do we get when we add 12 and 18? Perfect addition. 30 is absolutely right. What do you get when you take 15 away from 45? It's 30. You're really good at these subtraction challenges. What's 7 plus 6? This egg has a silly face, but the math is serious fun. The answer is 13. That's a lucky number for a super egg hunter like you. What is 25 plus 25? You've got this. I know it. You got it, 50. That's halfway to 100, which is super cool. Speaking of 100, what's 100 minus 50? Think about it. It's 50 again. You're a math wizard, seriously. What do you get when you put 14 and 16 together? The answer is 30. You're finding so many eggs today and solving all these puzzles. What's 9 minus 5? Think fast, the eggs are waiting. It's 4. You got it right. That was super speedy. Great job. Okay, time for a bigger one. What's 63 plus 27? You can do it. The answer is 90. Wow, you are amazing at math. Can you figure out what 81 minus 19 is? And the answer is 62. You totally nailed it. Wow, you're a true math egg hunt champion. You did an amazing job with all those tricky problems. Subscribe for more such fun quizzes.
That was fun. Keep exploring with Bear Hugs Learning. See you next time.